on SALN naman. Sa Senate kasi, nasa 21 of 24 senators yung voluntarily nag-release ng kanilang SALN. Dito sa House, not even 10%. Even if the House Speaker himself parang set the lead na voluntarily release ng kanilang SALN.
Well, again, to be very clear, yung Senado po kasi, I think standing po yung SALN policy nila. So they didn't have to undertake a SALN review. So no committee was created, no, para po dito. So again, yun nga, just to restate it, yung pong Senado, meron silang sarili na pong SALN policy na ini-implement na lang po nila. Kaya I think mabilis po yung pag-disclose ng pong SALN. No? Pero the Speaker po kasi initiated a SALN review committee. Nandiyan ho talaga titignan ano ba yung mga kailangan ma-disclose, ano yung proseso po ng disclosure, ano yung mga dapat ma-redact. No? So, I think malaking bahagi po ng mga miyembro po ng Kongreso sa kasalukuyan, inaantay po yung pong patakaran na ito. Kasi, syempre, we would want to do an institutional determination din muna on how SALNs should be released. Pero it's not a question of if. It's just a question of when. Di ba? So, I think darating din po tayo ron that the SALNs of House members will eventually and ultimately be disclosed to the public.
Kasi sir, parang, syempre meron namang mga naglabas na. I mean, nakalagay naman doon, of course, the addresses, naka-blur, yung mga subject to, I mean, how difficult is it to just release?
Syempre, we're not just talking about personalities, no? Like what I'd stated before, kumbaga, wala namang problema to release it sa totoo lang. Pero syempre, what we want to avoid is the impression na, anyway, nag-voluntary, ano naman na kayo, disclosure kayo, o di bahala na kayo, di ba? Tapos nabitin yung House policy on disclosure. So, for example, for my end, I would want the House policy to, we would want the House policy to basically be in place, no? Para, kumbaga, regardless of personal feelings on how you would want the SALN to be published, there is no room for personal feelings on the publication of the SALNs. Ibig sabihin, the SALNs will be published after the House policy. I think mas mahalaga pong suportahan yun kesa yung, alam ba, may nagpakita po ng SALN, di salamat, very transparent po yun, pero baka kasi ganun yung maging tunguhin pagka hindi ho natin hintay yung House policy to actually be in place. So hopefully, as soon as we return in November, the committee will meet. It will be a short meeting, and then we will approve the policy in plenary.